Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Kindle. First, let's get your device ready. Fully charge your Kindle for about 4 hours before its initial use to ensure a smooth start. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to enable access to the vast Kindle store and cloud services. Finally, register your device with your Amazon account. This links all your digital purchases directly to your new e-reader, making your library instantly accessible. Now that your Kindle is set up, let's explore your digital library. You can easily access all your downloaded books from the library section, found right on your home screen. To keep things tidy, organize your collection using collections or folders, making it simple to find your next read. Remember to sync your device regularly to update your library with any new purchases or reading progress across your Amazon devices. Reading on your Kindle is a truly immersive experience. To turn a page, simply tap the right side of the screen or swipe. You can personalize your reading by adjusting the font style, size, and line spacing to your preference. For deeper engagement, highlight text, add notes, or look up definitions instantly with a quick tap on any word. The built-in dictionary provides immediate explanations, enhancing your understanding without leaving the page. Beyond basic reading, your Kindle offers several powerful features. Utilize the Send to Kindle function to easily transfer personal documents and web articles directly to your device. Explore the integrated Kindle store to discover millions of new titles, often with free samples available. Enable WhisperSync to seamlessly synchronize your reading progress, bookmarks, and notes across all your Amazon devices. With optimized power-saving settings, your Kindle's battery can last for several weeks on a single charge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.